Let's go over replying to a topic. You can begin your reply by clicking the reply button at the top of the page. Or, if you're in a hurry, you can click the quick reply button at the bottom of the last post in the topic. Here, you can type your reply and hit submit, which would post as is. If you wanted more posting options, you would go to the full editor by either clicking the reply button or this full editor and preview button. So by clicking full editor and preview, you will see the preview of your post so far at the top. Underneath is the full editor. In order to modify the text, you would first highlight text just like you would in Microsoft Word. Let's select the first option and click the B for bolding. What you'll notice is that the text now has opening and closing B tags before and after the type you have highlighted. To see how this will look in your post, you will click Preview. You'll now see that the text at the top has been bolded. You would do the same steps for italicizing and underlining. Previewing will show you that the text is now bold, italicized, and underlined, and that is reflected with the opening and closing tags around the text in the editor. We'll skip down the list to the color. You can select a color from the drop-down menu. There's an option to post a YouTube video. A quick tip is that hovering over the link will show you how this tag should appear, so you would then paste your YouTube video link within the two YouTube tags. You'll then see the font size options from tiny to huge. Lastly, you'll see the BB code sections, which are more advanced codes you can use. The most common ones you might use are centered and spoiler. Centered will center everything within those tags, and spoiler will create a clickable text that will only appear after the user has clicked it, acknowledging that they want to see what's within the spoiler. You'll notice there is a quote button. The easiest way to include quotes is to navigate to the post you would like to quote. By clicking the little quote icon in the top right corner, this will take everything within that post and put it in quote tags at the start of your reply. By previewing, you can see that this is a good way to reply to someone in a thread with lots of different posts. You'll also notice that this shows all the original code from that post. This is a good tip for finding the image tags if you want to repost the images exactly as they would appear in the post. Notice if we copy and paste the images, they will appear the same in our reply as they did in that message. In our next video, we will explain this image posting button.